Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how farmers grow cashews? These delicious nuts don't just appear in your snack bowls, they come from a long and fascinating process involving years of care and dedication. Today, we'll take you on a journey to explore the entire process, from planting the trees to harvesting and processing the nuts. Let's begin. Cashew trees are evergreen tropical plants that originated in Brazil and are now widely cultivated in countries like India, Vietnam, and Africa. They can grow up to 14 meters tall, but are often kept shorter for easier harvesting. The cashew tree produces two valuable parts, the cashew apple and the cashew nut. While the apple is often used for juice or jams, the nut is what we're most familiar with. Farmers start by selecting land with well-draining sandy or loamy soil. Cashew trees dislike waterlogged areas, so proper drainage is essential. The land is cleared of weeds and rocks, and the soil is loosened to a depth of 60 centimeters to encourage root growth. Spacing is critical. Trees are planted 9 to 10 meters apart to allow their canopies to spread fully. This spacing also helps prevent diseases and makes it easier to access the trees for maintenance. Farmers use high-quality grafted seedlings because they grow faster and produce higher yields. The seedlings are planted in holes enriched with compost or organic manure to give them a healthy start. In the first 2 years, farmers ensure the young plants get plenty of water, especially during dry spells. However, once the trees are established, they become drought tolerant and require less frequent watering. Fertilizers are applied twice a year at the start of the rainy season and mid-season. A balanced fertilizer with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium helps boost growth and improve nut production. Flowering and fruiting. Cashew trees typically begin flowering in their third or fourth year. The small pinkish flowers bloom in clusters and eventually develop into cashew apples with nuts attached underneath. The nuts grow within a hard shell at the base of the apple. As the fruits ripen, they change color, signaling that they are almost ready for harvest. Harvesting the cashews. When the fruits ripen, they naturally fall to the ground. Farmers collect the fruits daily to prevent them from rotting or being eaten by animals. The nuts are carefully removed from the apples, which are used locally to make juices, jams, or even alcohol. Processing cashew nuts. After harvesting, the nuts are dried in the sun for several days to reduce moisture content. This step is crucial to preserve their quality. The dried nuts are steamed to soften the shells. Then workers remove the shells carefully, as they contain a toxic oil called urushiol, which can irritate the skin. Once shelled, the nuts are roasted, graded based on size and quality, and packaged for sale. These cashews are now ready for markets around the world. Many farmers are adopting sustainable practices like drip irrigation and renewable energy to reduce water usage and environmental impact. However, challenges like pests, climate change, and market fluctuations remain a concern for cashew farmers worldwide. Tips for including cashews in your diet. Enjoy cashews raw or roasted as a healthy snack. Salads and dishes. Add cashews to salads, stir-fries, or curries for added crunch and flavor. Nut butter. Use cashew butter as a spread or an ingredient in smoothies. Dairy-free options. Use cashew milk or cream for plant-based recipes. And that's how farmers grow cashews. It's a long process that requires patience, care, and dedication. So the next time you enjoy a handful of cashews, remember the incredible journey they've been on. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more farming stories. Thanks for watching.